Welcome back to the channel. This one is a little update how it goes here. So I had disassembled more things. Right now I take off the front, loosen all the nuts and bolts, so I can sandblast everything separately, paint it separately, and put it back together. So very soon it's ready. I also shift the seals, everything inside, and new brakes on both sides because they're leaking oil. And then last weekend we pick up this lady, Ford 4067 1967 model. It was very cheap. We drive 200 kilometers north in Norway to get it. We paid 10,000 crowns. So that was a good deal. And she is running. A little rough, but maybe I can sandblast this one as well. But she's running, but there's a lot of blow by. So we must do the engine to this one, but it's okay. We will take off the top, shift pistons, look at the cylinder, everything. Right now this oil is very milky, so I must look to the top, water pump area, things like that. But all in all, okay tractor. The owner have this one for 50 years. So, and he have used it heavily. So a new engine and things, it will be fine. It will run again. And the 4-cylinder will be sandblasted very soon, primed. Take the engine out, new engine, put it back together, degrease engine area if they have a little oil spill, and paint it gray. So that is the update from here. See you soon. Cheers.